Upon arriving in Dubai, the initial activity you should prioritize is visiting the summit of Burj Khalifa. We suggest ascending to the 154th floor, which is slightly higher than the alternative option. Though it requires a modest additional fee, the experience is well worth it, as you'll be 2,722 feet high in the world's tallest building. Marvel at the breathtaking views below, and while you're up there, take advantage of the lounge where you can enjoy a beer or two, sip some tea, indulge in desserts, and stroll around to capture memorable photos. Let's talk the Lost Chambers Aquarium. Situated in the Atlantis Hotel at the tip of Palm Jumeirah, this exceptional aquarium stands out not only for the opportunity to swim in the tank, but also for the diverse array of marine life it houses. To fully immerse yourself in the Lost Chambers Aquarium experience, consider booking an aquatic swim with the marine creatures or reserving a hotel room with a view of the aquarium. Rest assured, visitors of all ages will be captivated by this attraction. Next, we'll delve into one of the world's most unique structures, the Museum of the Future. Both its exterior and interior design epitomize its futuristic name. Dubai is known for its grandiose displays, and the Museum of the Future is no exception. Keep in mind that the advanced reservations are required for entry, so plan accordingly. Admission is approximately $40 per person, and though prices may vary based on your currency, the museum's awe-inspiring exhibits showcasing innovative ideas for Dubai and the world make it well worth the cost. Next on our list, we return to Palm Jumeirah, specifically to the Peak of the Palm, where you can indulge in a luxurious infinity pool experience at the Aria Pool. Located atop the St. Regis Hotel, this open-air 360-degree pool boasts a stunning vantage point. Adult tickets cost around $40 with a slight discount for children. From the 54th floor, you'll enjoy breathtaking views of the Palm on a clear day or a lovely evening. The hotel also features a cafe and a first-class lounge for added comfort. For an even more elevated experience, you can pay a bit extra to access the 54th floor's open-air, unobstructed views, gaze at the marina, or watch the sunset over the Palm. Aim to arrive at least an hour before sunset to capture the golden hour views. Our next destination is the Dubai Frame, an impressive structure reaching 150 meters, 459 feet high. Constructed with 9,900 cubic meters of reinforced concrete and 2,000 tons of steel, this agricultural marvel stands on two posts with a single beam across the top. The exhilarating glass floor may not be suitable for everyone, but at a mere $15 for tickets, it's an incredible value. Purchase tickets online or on site and consider arriving 30 minutes before sunset to enjoy the best views. This attraction is an excellent option for an evening outing. Next on our itinerary is the once world's largest indoor theme park, IMG Worlds of Adventure. While it may have surpassed in size by Abu Dhabi's Warner Brothers World, IMG remains an incredible and worthwhile destination. This indoor theme park offers adventure and fun in the comfort of air conditioning, perfect for hot days. Ticket prices can reach $95, but you can find discounts online through various websites and apps. With roller coasters, 3D experiences, and an array of attractions such as the thrilling Thor Thunder Spin, there's something for everyone, including children. The park's air-controlled zones, like the Lost Valley, add to its appeal. Our next stop is a classic Dubai attraction, Madinat Jumeirah, located near the iconic 7-star hotel Burj Al Arab. We recommend taking a boat tour around the area to fully appreciate its beauty. Afterward, indulge in a 5-star dining experience at Madinat, boasting views of the Burj Al Arab, perfect for photo opportunities. You can also explore Jumeirah Beach, where you'll find an infinity pool and a glimpse of the luxurious lifestyle. Interestingly, the water here is pumped in from the ocean, so you may spot some marine life swimming beneath the surface. Next, we're headed to Sky Dubai, conveniently located within the Mall of the Emirates. Here, you can enjoy a complete Arctic experience in the heart of the desert, even when temperatures soar outside. Sky Dubai offers everything you need, from gear rental to activity packages, which can be booked online or in person. Indulge in an array of winter activities, including skiing, snowboarding, zorbing, bobsledding, inner tubing, ziplining, and ski lessons. Allocate at least half a day to make the most of this unique experience. Our next destination is the beach, with JBR Beach being one of the many enticing options, along with La Mer and Jumeirah Beach. At JBR, you'll find outdoor dining, entertainment, daybeds, umbrellas, and a fantastic view of the world's largest Ferris wheel. Plenty of water sports activities are available, as well as a thrilling dining in the sky experience, where you'll enjoy gourmet food while suspended high above the ground. Visit during the evening or night for a lively atmosphere, illuminated surroundings, and games with prize opportunities right on the beach. With nearby hotels, you can easily access the beach on foot for a convenient stay. Our next destination is the Gold Souk in Old Dubai, where you'll also find the nearby spice market or souk. Strolling through this area offers a glimpse into the history and culture of Dubai. Plan to spend a couple of hours here, taking a boat across Dubai Creek and enjoying the local cuisine. The Gold Souk boasts an array of jewelry, including gold and silver, as well as markets for clothing. We then return to Palm Jumeirah to ride the monorail, offering spectacular views across the Palm. The most impressive sights appear as you approach Atlantis after the 4th station. Prices range from $2.7 to $4 for a round-trip ticket, with the monorail traveling at around 22 miles per hour and spanning 3 miles in length. Finally, we'll visit the Dubai Glow Garden, featuring 5 mesmerizing themes for you to explore. This nighttime attraction is perfect for experiencing an enchanting, Christmas-like atmosphere with themes from around the world. The garden showcases a brilliant display of artistic expression through lights. Ticket prices range from $17 to $19, but better deals can be found online using coupon codes. We're returning to Dubai Creek from Old Dubai's Deira district all the way around to Business Bay, and then back to Jumeirah Beach. This cruise offers a unique perspective of Dubai Creek and showcases the ongoing construction and development in the area. If you have the opportunity, venture into the desert for a hot air balloon ride. From October to April, this unforgettable experience is a must-do activity while visiting Dubai or Abu Dhabi. The stunning views will leave your Instagram followers in awe. Next, we'll head back to JBR Beach and the marina for Ain Dubai, also known as the Dubai Eye. This record-breaking Ferris wheel stands as the world's tallest, and its impressive size is truly awe-inspiring. Rest assured, the structure is secure and offers a thrilling experience at 899 feet in the air. Located on Blue Waters Island, the attraction takes around 38 minutes to complete a full rotation. Finally, let's return to downtown Dubai for the Dubai Foundation, arguably one of the world's most impressive fountain shows. The performances vary depending on the time of year, with shows starting at around 6 p.m. At night, the fountains are beautifully lit and synchronized with the Burj Khalifa's light show, creating an unforgettable spectacle. In addition to hot air balloon rides, there are numerous desert adventures to explore, such as camel riding, desert safaris, and 4x4 off-road experiences in vehicles like Land Cruisers or Range Rovers. You can book these activities through ticket booths, online, or by speaking to your hotel. Walking across the sandy desert feels like a scene straight from a movie or a book. Another attraction is a leisurely walk around Dubai Falls or the Dubai Canal, located near Business Bay. The area is beautifully illuminated, making it a perfect and free activity. You can walk, jog, run, or bike along the canal, enjoying the Dubai waterfall. Open 24 hours, it can be found off the Sheikh Zayed Bridge. For another free activity, head over to the Walk at Dubai Marina. This area, with its impressive high-rises, resembles a secondary downtown in Dubai. It's an excellent place to find accommodations, as you can rent a 2-bedroom apartment or condo at affordable prices during the summer. Prices may rise during the winter, but you can still find luxurious and budget-friendly options in this vibrant area, perfect for living and working. Let's journey to the south of Dubai, where the Expo 2020 area, now known as Expo City, is located. This area hosts numerous world-class futuristic exhibits during Expo 2021, showcasing ideas from countries all around the world, such as Australia and Finland. Exploring this innovative space is a must when visiting Dubai. Returning to the Palm, our next destination is West Beach, an excellent area for bars, nightclubs, and lounges. Although it features amazing hotels, you don't need to stay here to enjoy the man-made beach. With warm waters and soft sand, you can relax on daybeds or chairs while attentive staff provide excellent service. Dubai boasts several water parks, but we'll focus on Aqua Venture Water Park, situated next to the Lost Chambers Aquarium at Atlantis Hotel. This futuristic park allows you to combine a visit to the Lost Chambers, Aqua Venture, and Atlantis Hotel all in one day. If you take the monorail, you can enjoy 3 attractions for the price of 1. As a bonus, if you're staying at the Atlantis Resort, adventure admission is free, making it an option worth considering. Our next destination is the Point at Palm Jumeirah, a free area for strolling along the promenade, where you can enjoy a water fountain show, stunning views of Atlantis, and various activities such as pickleball. With numerous dining options, cafes, shops, and even boat tours available, this location offers a delightful experience. Moving on, we'll visit Dubai Mall, once the largest mall in the world, but now second to Iran Mall in terms of total land area. As the 26th largest shopping mall globally, it offers a pleasant indoor experience, particularly during Dubai's hot summer months. Inside, you'll find an indoor waterfall, a Dubai aquarium, a variety of dining options, and cafes. Outside lies the renowned Dubai fountain and the Burj Khalifa, which you can access by walking through the mall. The Dubai Mall is truly a palatial shopping destination. Finally, let's explore the Jumeirah Lake Towers area, an outdoor shopping district featuring numerous shops and cafes, along with a lovely walkway. This location is designed for a live, work, play lifestyle, but it doesn't have a bustling nightlife scene. Enjoyed the video? Now watch this one.